anybody? Someone burn out, god damn it. They just came back to fall. Really? Yeah! This is like sex, man. These guys are yeah! Yeah, that's the best one. Can't even see. Come on! Yeah! Come on. There we go. You gotta do it. No? I'm trying to get what the hell? Yeah! Yes! There you go! Holy shit! That was a good one. Yeah. Get some of my t-shirt for later. You see that? I'm gonna stop recording. You wanna hold this? Yeah, the tires. Corey burnt his stuff. Yeah, he did. Oh, that was in our first play. Oh, you got one? Do we got one? We got one. Kind of. Not really. Oh shit! Woo! That was close. Are we back here? That was close. Oh, that's the worst part. You got no protection. Right here's the good part because that's where it starts. This is the best place to be because there's no way to quit. Ragged ass truck. Magic truck. That's all like crap. It's hard. that car doing?
He's trying to get out the way. People come.
The first one that like front-wheel drive. No? You ain't gonna do it? What the hell?
No, it wasn't him, but it was the guy that had.
Oh, that's pretty cool. This is a 5-minute video. YouTube.
Chargers keep messing up.
Chargers suck, that's why. Right? They got no control.
Don't burn out with this. Oh, yeah.
I wouldn't burn out with that one, nope.
I wouldn't.
No, sir.
That would blow it up.
Minivan style. Let's go. No? Yeah! Woo! She's like, I'm scared. I'm scared. You know how much that? You know how much that? Hold up. He's cool. That was boring. Is it raining, bro? I felt it dry.